Welcome back to our Hiskano channel. Today we have our Hiskano HK14A to show you. This has the 13.5 horse Briggs Stratton engine in it and comes in weighing around 2,200 pounds. Guys, this thing may look mini, but it packs a pretty good punch, and I'd like to demonstrate that for you here in a little bit after we give a little walk around. Guys, this comes equipped with a hydraulic thumb. Again, like I mentioned in a couple of the other videos, I always like to mention these come standard on Hiskano units. We know people want them, we put them on them. 16-inch bucket. Moving on down here to the blade, you can see that it has extensions on the outside. The purpose of that being, if you need to pull your tracks in, which this has retractable tracks, you can fold the ends of that blade in, pull your pins, pin it back down, and then you're good to go. Okay, if we want to move on around to the back of it, and as you're working your way around the machine, you can see that it is well ventilated. When you need to add gas to the unit, you simply lift the seat up, you see where it goes, and close her back down. Okay, moving on around, looking at the levers and knobs on the HK14A. This right here is your throttle. Of course, here's your light switch. These two levers here work your tracks. This will work your blade as well as your retractable tracks when you have the switch flipped. This operates your thumb, and of course these operate your boom, bucket, arm, and etc. Okay guys, this is a pretty quick view of the HK14A. Pretty much there's really not much more to say other than me to hop on there and have some fun. We'll see you here in a few seconds.